Here given C2H5Br. So it is a general equation. When alcohols react with PBr3, it gives alkyl bromide. So instead of R, what is there? C2H5 is there. Similarly here, what is the R? C2H5 means here what is X? C2H5OH. Ethyl alcohol is reacted with PBr3, then it gives C2H5Br. Hence it is the X. And another one is given here, C2H5Br, which is heated with aqueous silver hydroxide. When this C2H5Br ethyl bromide is heated with silver hydroxide, then what happen here? AgBr can be removed and we get C2H5OH, that is ethyl alcohol. It is the Y. Hence here which one is asked? What are X and Y? So what is X? C2H5OH, that is ethyl alcohol, and what is Y? Y is also C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol only. So what they given in the options? First one is methyl alcohol, CH3OH. Is it correct? No. Second option, ethyl alcohol, X is correct, but Y is here wrong. And third option, CH3COOH, acid given, wrong one. And the fourth option, C2H5OH and C2H5OH. Hence X and Y both are here ethyl alcohols. Hence what is the answer? Fourth option is the answer. Next one. Read the bit. Identify A and B in the following reaction. Ethyl chloride on heating with some reagent given A, it is A, it gives C2H5OH. On react with the reagent B, then it gives C2H5Cl. Then identify A and B. Here when you take ethyl chloride, then it gives here C2H5OH. It is given one. Here some A given. On which reagent here this ethyl chloride gives alcohols? It is the haloalkane. So it is the alcohol. So what is the A here? If you take aqueous sodium hydroxide or aqueous potassium hydroxide or silver hydroxide, you can take either reagent. On reacting with these reagents, here ethyl chloride gives ethyl alcohol. You have to check. Okay, A is either NaOH or AgOH or KOH. Next one here, on reacting with B, here also B is not given, but product is given. What is that? C2H5Cl. So here on this ethyl alcohol is reacted with on which reagent? That means it is the conversion of alcohols into chlorides, alkyl chloride or haloalkanes. So it may be here like PCl3, PCl5 or PBr3 or SOCl2. On reaction with these all reagents, alcohols are converted into here chlorides only. Here don't take Br, because here given product is Cl only. Thus don't take this PBr3. Okay, remove it. Again, now you have to check it. B is either PCl3, PCl5 or SOCl2. So check the given options. A is aqueous KOH. So aqueous KOH is there no here? Hence it is A. And B is SOCl2. SOCl2 is there no? So hence what is the answer? First option. If you want to check another option, A is correct only. Here given alcoholic, if you use alcoholic, then alkene formed but not alcohol. Thus it is wrong. Again it aqueous NaOH is given. Aqueous NaOH, it is also maybe A. But B given NaCl. Is there NaCl? Not there. Hence this is wrong. And fourth one is AgNO3. Is it correct? No. KNO2. This is wrong. Hence what is the correct option? First option is the correct one. A is aqueous potassium hydroxide. B is thionyl chloride. That is SOCl2. Next bit. Again here also given equation only. Here product C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol given. Here A is there. A. So it is the equation. A. It is aqueous NaOH, C2H5OH. And B, if you take B, which is react with the AgOH, it is also gives C2H5OH. Then what are A and B? Only we have discussed here. If you take alkyl halides, chlorides or bromides, reacted with aqueous sodium hydroxide, then it gives alcohol. And similarly here, if you take alkyl chlorides and reacted with silver hydroxide, then what happen here? AgCl removed, no? Alcohols formed, no? Here AgCl removed, no? Okay. Thus, but here given a product here, alcohol. What here? Which alcohol is given? Ethyl alcohol given. Okay. That means here given a R indirectly. What is the R? C2H5 is the R. Then you can substitute here also. R is a ethyl group, C2H5Cl. On reacting with the aqueous NaOH, it gives ethyl alcohol. Similarly, here also can substitute here R. What is R? Ethyl group. That means here ethyl chloride is reacting with silver hydroxide. Then it gives ethyl alcohol only. Thus here first one is it is A and it is B. So what are A and B? A is C2H5Cl, ethyl chloride. B is also C2H5Cl, ethyl chloride. So observe the options. Where is these two? First one C2H2 wrong. Second one A correct only, but B given C2H4 only. That's wrong. And third option C2H4 wrong. It is the fourth option C2H5Cl. B is also C2H5Cl. So it is the fourth option. So it is the answer. Okay. And read next bit here. Ethyl chloride reacts with sodium ethoxide to form a compound A. Which of the following reactions also yields A? Means here given one reaction and they asked another one. So which reaction is given? Ethyl chloride. So C2H5Cl, ethyl chloride, reacts with sodium ethoxide. What is the formula of sodium ethoxide? NaOC2H5. Then it gives one compound A. Here what is the reaction? What is the name of this reaction? Ethyl chloride react with sodium ethoxide. It is the Williamson's synthesis. And here NaCl is removed, no? Thus we get here C2H5O, C2H5, diethyl ether is formed. NaCl removed. What is this? Diethyl ether is formed. So they given it is as A. Next, which of the following reactions also yields A? Then in which option we get diethyl ether? That is the question. So first one given C2H5Cl. What is the first one here? If you take first option, C2H5Cl, which is react with alcoholic KOH. When it is react with alcoholic KOH, we get alkane C2H4 by the removal of KCl and water. Here potassium Cl removed as KCl, and here hydrogen and OH removed as water. Thus we get ethene, that is C2H4 only, but not this one. No. Hence first option is wrong. Then take the second option. What is the second one here? C2H5 heated with the concentrated sulfuric acid. Here 2 moles of ethyl alcohols reacted with each other. The presence of concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 at 140 degrees Celsius. Here H, here OH removed as water. Then what is there? C2H5O. C2H5O. Next here C2H5. Thus what is this? Diethyl ether. What is this? Diethyl ether. So both are same only now. Here this compound and this compound. Yes, in both reactions we get same. This only no asked one. Hence what is the answer? Second option is the answer.